Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thank you. And before we start this lesson, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, look at these three quizzes on the board. What story do you guys think we will read today? You want to answer? What story? Yes, yeah.
I think Cinderella, Miss.
Correct. It's Cinderella. Give applause, please. But before we read it, the story of Cinderella, does anyone know what kind of Cinderella story is? What kind of text Cinderella?
Non-fiction stories. Fiction stories.
Yeah, fiction stories. Gimana?
Dongeng, Miss.
Ya, betul kalian. Cerita Cinderella ini termasuk cerita fantasi atau dongeng. Nah, dongeng ini termasuk ke dalam teks naratif. Ada yang tahu apa itu teks naratif?
Tidak, Miss.
Oke. A narrative text itu adalah story that tells us about events, characters, and conflicts. Dan anak-anak, jadi naratif teks ini strukturnya itu dibagi menjadi 3 bagian. Yang pertama itu ada orientation, yang kedua itu ada communication, dan yang ketiga itu ada resolution. Nah, orientation ini struktur yang menjelaskan tentang tokoh, waktu, dan juga tempat kejadian. Nah, yang communication ini, yang kedua, itu menceritakan tentang masalah atau konflik yang dihadapi oleh si tokoh utama, pemeran utamanya. Dan yang terakhir itu resolution. Resolution itu adalah bagian penutup yang menyebutkan penyelesaian masalah atau akhir cerita, bisa akhirnya bahagia atau tidak gitu. Today we are going to read the story about Cinderella and analyze its chapter about the narrative and even create our own version of the ending. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
And sekarang saya akan membagikan cerita tentang Cinderella yang versi singkatnya. Jadi itu kan cerita tentang Cinderella yang versi singkatnya. Nah, please read the story silently and underline parts that show orientation, complication, resolution, and moral value-nya. Tadi udah dijelasin kan apa itu orientasi, komunikasi, dan juga resolusi.
Yes.
Jadi silakan dibacakan. the worksheet. And number 1, what is the orientation of the story? Anyone to answer? What is the orientation?
Miss,
Yes, dear?
once upon a time, a young girl lived with her stepmother and two ugly stepsisters.
Okay, good. And what is the problem in the story? Complication-nya yang mana? Yang bagian apa?
Miss,
Yes, Dina?
communicationnya yang sis cannot go to the realm.
Okay, good. And the last one is, how is the problem solved? The resolution-nya apa?
Miss,
Yes, Ica?
the very good mother helps her and the prince finds her.
Excellent. Woo! Now you understand the structure of the narrative text. Okay, now let's go deeper about this topic today. Choose one character from the story of Cinderella, the prince, the stepmother, or the fairy godmother, and write one paragraph from the character's perspective. Imagine how they feel in the story. Jadi itu nulis paragrafnya itu menggunakan kata saya. Jadi kalian yang menjadi karakter dari paragraf yang cerita yang kalian tulis. I will give you a paper to mengerjakan latihan tadi.
Okay, Miss.
Are you done, students? Guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Okay. Now, who wants to read your paragraph in front of the class? Siapa yang mau maju? Okay, Dian. Please come forward.
Come forward.
Yes.
My character as Prince.
Yes.
My paragraph is the moment I saw her at the ball, I felt something I'd never felt before, like I know her all my life. She didn't try to impress me with status or rich. She was kind, graceful, and real. When she disappeared at midnight, I knew I had to find her. that glass slipper became the key to a new beginning, not just for her, but for me too.
Oke, good. Ada lagi yang mau? Oke, Gina, please.
Ini stepmother's perspective.
Oke.
People always call me cruel, but they never understand why. I only want the best for my own daughters. And when Cinderella came with her beauty and grace, I knew she would steal all the attention. I gave her course, not because I hated her, but because I needed to protect my daughter's future. Boys should see a girl without status or name deserve a prince.
Oke. Thank you, Gina. Okay, great job everyone. And now let's get creative again. Imagine if the ending of Cinderella was different. For example, what if the slipper didn't fit? And what if she just not marry the prince? And ini tuh dikerjain sama Persia. Jadi write a new ending. Remember everyone, be original but keep it logical. Okay? Are you done, guys? And now exchange your story with another group and use this checklist, to review and give helpful feedback with another group. Okay? Okay. Now, if you are done, would some groups like to share your new ending in front of the class? Paris. Okay, Icha.
In the part C, our alternate ending quest, when the prince arrived at Cinderella's house with the glass slipper, everyone was nervous. Cinderella tried the shoe but to everyone's surprise, it didn't fit. The fairy godmother suddenly appeared and smiled. The real magic is not in the slipper, but in your courage. Realizing that true love doesn't depend on magic, Cinderella decided to follow her dreams, became a fashion designer, and opened her own shop in the village. The prince, impressed by her independence, became her friend and biggest supporter. The title for our new ending is What If the Slipper Didn't Fit?
Okay, wonderful. Good job, teacher. Okay, so did you guys learn about Cinderella's story today? What is the moral value yang ada di cerita Cinderella?
Jadilah ibu tiri yang baik.
Okay, good. Anyone? Okay, Dina?
The moral value is if you are kind and patient, good thing will happen.
Okay, very nice answer. That's super close. That's what storytelling is really about, not just events, but also the message we can learn from. Before we end this class today, please finalize your story yang tadi udah dibuat di post di our forum class in home, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. That's all for today. You've done a great job. I hope you had fun learning English through stories. See you in the next lesson.
See you, Miss.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam